the Tronsmart Spunky Beat. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Spunky Beat True Wireless Earbuds by Tronsmart. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The Spunky Beat features 7 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. 5 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the Qualcomm 3020 chipset. AAC, SBC, aptX codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. Touch controls, USB-A and C for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case is compact in size and it's plastic all around with a matte finish. The branding is on the top, and on the right side there's a carrying loop. On the front of the case you have the charge status LEDs. And on the back is a USB-C charge port. On the bottom you will find an additional charging option, a USB-A charging cable. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are also held into place by magnets, and it's easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds are fairly small. It has a matte finish on the inside with the ear indicators, and on the outside it has a glossy finish with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have touch controls, LED, microphones, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. Here they are side by side. Touch control is a matter of tapping a few times or a long hold to get the desired function. It also has volume controls. The case comes in at 2.6 by 1.7 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams and the earbuds come in at 7 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say you didn't think you should explain.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Spunky Beat True Wireless Earbuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Microphone quality worked fairly well and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently left or right side, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Spunky Beat earbuds. They were very comfortable and easy to put on, just requires a slight twist to get them seated. They're small in size and at times you don't even feel like you have them on. Touch controls don't add pressure in your ear canals when navigating. They felt secure and it created a nice tight seal. Build and quality is decent. It's in line with many earbuds at this price point. Nothing really stands out. I'm not a fan of the carrying strap on the side of the case, and I wish there was a way to remove it. Both earbuds and case do feel durable. Touch controls are a bit sensitive and at times you can accidentally activate it by just moving your fingers on it or trying to adjust the earbuds. Battery life is respectable at 7 hours and 24 with the case. I like the small profile as it doesn't protrude out of your ears, and they are very light. Now when it comes to sound, I felt that the bass was a bit lacking and not as clean sounding. It wasn't that tight punchy sound, but a bit more airy. Mids and highs is I think where these excel. Definitely a bright sound signature. Vocals and instruments come in clear and there's good separation, and volume levels also get high. Overall I feel these have more of a brighter sound signature, and it falls short on the bass. It does have a compact design, and it's another option for those that are seeking an inexpensive pair. So that is my review of the Tronsmart Spunky Beat True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.